absolutely love this one. Red velvet Doggo cake. Let's make this. Mix together yogurt, milk, applesauce, beetroot puree, oil, baking powder, whole wheat flour or oats flour. Once it all comes together, give it a taste test. And now that Luna's approved, I'll transfer this into an oiled mold and bake it in my Stahl Versatil Pressure Cooker. Line the pressure cooker with salt and bake the cake on a stand. I love just how spacious my Stahl Versatil Pressure Cooker is. I can fit any size mold into this. Once done, let it cool and demold. Garnish with cream cheese and honey and